So I used to live in La Jolla, California, San Diego, and I'd see the sunset every night. And I'm like, man, it's expensive to live here. I moved to Fort Worth, Texas, and I'm in such a reasonably priced neighborhood. And look at the beautiful sunset you get here. You get more of a sunset here. It's nicer. The sky is beautiful. Everything's flat. It's just really, really nice, guys. Really beautiful. They weren't thinking when they built the school, though. No, I'm just joking. It's fine. They had to build the school for the kids so they can grow up and be smart.